Okay! Oh my god! Look at me! What happened? What am I?
Sonic, you're an Angry Bird now, and so am I!
Cream? What are you doing here? And you have a strange aspect.
I told you, we can say farewell to our old shape. Now we are birds, Angry Birds, and this is a different game.
This is quite singular.
Do you know what this sling is for?
No!
We gotta jump on the slingshot and launch ourselves there.
Come on, really? I could go there by walk. I can run, but please don't ask me to go on that stupid slingshot.
It's not stupid. It's the only weapons that we've got.
Hey, Sonic, are you scared? I know you're scared. Knuckles, I thought you were dead. And now, it turns out you are but an oddball. Ball? Look who's talking.
Knuckles, you better finish your mission, because after that, my goal will be to conquer the entire world and build the Eggman Empire.
Slings, birds, Eggman Empire? You guys are funny. And now, Knuckles, let me tell you something. First of all, I'm gonna kick your butt. And when I'll finish with you, I'm gonna kick Eggman's butt. What makes you so sure, Sonic? Well, let's see. Maybe I'm so confident because after all, I'm the fastest bird around.
So you think you're the fastest here? So, what will you do if I tell you that I've got all your eggs? The world is mine!
Sonic, please, our eggs. You gotta do something. I just want my eggs back.
Cream, calm down. Everything will be fine.
What's going on here, Sonic? Have you lost your guts?
Yes, have you lost your guts? Now, dear Eggman, what are you gonna do? Just give me the eggs back and I won't hurt you. Otherwise, it's gonna be painful.
Oh, Sonic, you pathetic hedgehog. You have to understand my IQ. Do you really think that I've run out of ideas? And what do you do when you run out of ideas?
Oh, please, spare me the tragic lines and say your last prayer.
You're a fool. Guess what I have? A surprise for you. An old friend, Shadow.
No, Shadow! You bastard!
Hey, Sonic. Even without arms and legs, I'm faster than you. Catch me if you can. Hey, Sonic. We should stop chasing each other. We've been running since forever, and quite frankly, I'm getting old. And at this point, if you want, I can state publicly that you're stronger and faster than me.
Thanks, Shadow. I appreciate that. You know what? Just help me. I'm gonna take my eggs from Dr. Eggman, that's it.
Okay, let's do this. After all, Eggman is a bastard.